In today's video, I want to share with you some low-carb breakfast ideas that are easy to make and are family-friendly. All the recipes from pancakes to muffins to mini quiches and more featured in this video are going to be linked in the description box below for you. You should also know that my kids eat these too, often with some yogurt or fruit on the side since they are not eating low-carb. First up, the all-time favorite recipe for blueberry coconut flour muffins. The batter is whipped up in a blender, then I add the blueberries, baked to perfection, and they are delicious. Another family favorite recipe made with coconut flour is for these coconut flour pancakes. The batter is thick, they cook to perfection, and they are nice and fluffy and super delicious. If you want something to serve with scrambled eggs and bacon, make these almond flour biscuits. The dough is made in one bowl, the batter dropped onto the baking pan, and the oven does the work by baking them to perfection with a delicious taste and texture you're going to love. Speaking of eggs, if you love recipes that yield a big batch, you'll enjoy these mini quiches. I have a few of these on this channel, but my two favorites are my carrot and zucchini and my pizza mini quiches. Both recipes have whisked eggs, cheese, and the mixings added into the bowl. Then they're poured into mini muffin pans and baked into a delicious bite-sized food that everyone loves to eat. If you don't have a mini muffin pan, make this bacon and spinach frittata instead. Saute your veggies in the pan, add them to the egg mixture, pour it into your baking dish, and you'll have a high-protein breakfast you can eat now or heat and eat later. This last one is not a favorite of my kids, but I personally love a good breakfast salad, especially when I practice intermittent fasting and breakfast and lunch get kind of pushed together. It's super easy to assemble by building a bed of greens, topping it with roasted veggies, a fried egg, and a few avocado slices for good measure. Now remember that I'm going to link all of the recipes and a few extra for you below this video in the description box so you can print them and check them out. And if you enjoy family-friendly recipes, hit that red subscribe button. I share new recipes with you a few times a week. See you next time.